Hey honeys, welcome to my channel. My name is Miesha and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing my hair, and this hair is from Ishow hair. This is their 26-inch wig with a medium brown cap. They sent over some lashes and a new wig cap. Y'all, this hair is so bomb. Y'all gotta get into it. I will have all of their information listed down below in the description box, so check it out. If you are new to my channel, hey boo, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, what's good, what's poppin', sis? I know you guys are interested in seeing me lay and slay my hair, so keep on watching. Today, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. I'm going to be installing this wig that I received from Ishow hair. Also going to be doing a Q&A, a get to know me better type of video. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I asked you guys to ask me some questions that y'all wanted to know about me, and I have them all wrote down. Let's start off with the first question. This is from Crazy Gaming. It says, can you give me a shout out, please? And can and will. So y'all go ahead and go check out Crazy Gaming. I'm also thinking about doing shout outs at the end of all my videos or throughout my videos. I'm not sure, but all you have to do is comment down below and I got you. So first things first, I gotta get this wig attached to my head. It's been a little minute since I actually did my hair. I'm finna feel so good. Y'all know you just feel good after you look cute, after you get your hair done. You know, you be just like in a different mood, a whole vibe or something. So the next question is, how do I feel about teen pregnancy? Even though teen pregnancy is avoidable, sometimes things just happen because we make the wrong decisions. Instead of like bashing a teen mom, why not uplift them? It's already hard enough becoming a parent. Sometimes people just need support. I think that is something that young people should wait on. Y'all, I'm low-key getting so much better at installing these wigs. Yes, ma'am. Next question is, does wearing wigs affect your edges? And I'm just going to take this question as y'all talking about me in general. No, they don't affect my edges, but I can't speak for everyone else because I don't use harsh glues. And also, I don't wear glue down wigs often either. And I don't put the wig on my edges, so no, wigs does not affect my edges. How many siblings do I have? So my mom has 3 kids by my dad, and in all, my dad has 6 kids. Are we getting more videos with your boyfriend and more pranks, please? I really want to start like pranking him more, but he's so over dramatic. I'm gonna try it again, y'all, and see how it works, but I do plan on doing more videos with him. Do I have a boyfriend? Yes, I have a boyfriend. We've been together 6.5 years. It'll be 7 years in October. That's my baby. Somebody asked, why am I so pretty? I mean, genetics. So these next set of questions, they all came from the same person. She always comments on my videos. It's Grwm World. She said, any goals for 2020? Personal and YouTube. I don't know if y'all know, but I had a goal of having 20,000 subscribers for 2020, and y'all had surpassed it like tremendously, and I thank y'all. So I gotta come up with some more goals for YouTube. I really just be going with the flow because y'all know that I'm pregnant now, so I mainly be focused on my baby, but the journey is on. Personal goals for 2020. Staying healthy during this pandemic and raising a healthy baby and just guiding her into greatness as of now. So she also asked, are you still using an iPhone 6? If so, any editing software, like a new editing software No, I am not filming on my iPhone 6 anymore, but I still use iMovie, so that's that. Where are you from and what is your favorite food? I am from Memphis, Tennessee. My favorite food is Alfredo. Skincare, if so, when is the video dropping? I did just do an updated skincare routine. I'm pregnant, so the skincare that I'm doing now currently is for acne because I've never really gotten acne before until I got pregnant. So my hormones are just like everywhere. But yeah, I did drop a new skincare routine, so check that out. Her last question is, what made you decide to be a YouTuber? Starting off doing hair and not really wanting to do it. So I was like, well, maybe if I make a channel and show y'all how to do it, y'all will stop asking me to do y'all hair. But I like recording and actually doing what I love to do and showing other people how I do it. So yeah. Moving on to some other questions. Would you rather post a picture of your family naked on social media, on all social media, or swim in urine? Y'all, I don't play that nasty stuff, so I would out my family before I go and swim in some urine. Maybe they'll get paid. They gonna get paid for those nudes, so I'm gonna be helping them out. But your girl not about to swim in no urine and get nothing in return. So, I'm sorry, fam bam, baby. Y'all news are getting published. Next question. How old are you? I am 22 years young. Are you having kids? Clearly. I really, really wanted kids before I got pregnant, and I'm so glad that I'm finally having one. So yes, I am having kids. Hopefully I have a beautiful and healthy baby girl coming this September. So yeah, I'm having kids. Next question is, what encouraged me to do YouTube? When I told them that I was doing YouTube, they didn't really believe in it. They was like, oh, she doing YouTube, or like, that's not gonna work out, or she's not gonna make nothing out of it. The haters encouraged me to do YouTube or to continue doing YouTube, shall I say. I love proving people wrong. Y'all, this is my third time installing this wig and it is so bomb. Like, it still looks so good. Someone asked, how many kids do you and your boyfriend want? Me, I really want a big family. I want like 6 kids if like I'm living like a luxury life, but 4 kids if I'm just living like a normal average life. My boyfriend on the other hand, he's okay with just 1 2 at the most, but that's all. Would you recommend rice water treatment for my 3B textured hair? If so, how often? If you're looking to make your hair stronger and more healthier, yes, I would recommend trying the rice water. How long or how many times you should do it solely depends on your hair. Someone asked, will I ever dance again? Maybe for fun, not really like for school or with somebody. The last question that I have is, anything you are looking forward to? I'm guessing just in general. Being a business person and having a successful business, starting from scratch is kind of hard, but I'm looking forward to being an entrepreneur and having everything like set to where I can create generational wealth for my baby. So yeah. So y'all, I'm gonna finish styling my hair and then I'll be back once I finish flat ironing it. I know I didn't have that many questions on today, but y'all didn't ask that many. So if you want me to do another Q&A and y'all have some more questions, go ahead and leave those down below. Don't forget to check out the description box for the D's on this hair. I will have a coupon code so that you can get a discount when you shop with them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like this video if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. My Snapchat is queen-ishow with 2 A's. My Instagram and also my Twitter is my Ishow_. Thanks for watching. Bye.